intelligence was this like really special human thing and kind of somewhat magical. And I now think that it's sort of a fundamental property of matter.
Imagine chatting with an AI that can write novels, songs, and jokes. An AI that can reason, remember, and explain. An AI that can speak, see, and search. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, not for long. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, reveals 10 things that are likely to happen to ChatGPT in 2024. Number 1. Better reasoning abilities. ChatGPT's better reasoning abilities mean that ChatGPT can think and talk more logically and intelligently. ChatGPT is a computer program that can chat with humans using natural language. It can also generate text, such as stories, poems, or code, based on a given topic or prompt. Reasoning is the process of using logic and evidence to draw conclusions or make decisions. Reasoning can be divided into two types: deductive and inductive. Deductive reasoning is when you start from general rules or principles and apply them to specific cases. ChatGPT can use both deductive and inductive reasoning to chat and generate text. It can also use other types of reasoning, such as abductive, causal, analogical, and counterfactual. Abductive reasoning is when you infer the most likely explanation for a given observation or fact. Number 2. GPT-5. GPT-5 is the anticipated next version of OpenAI's large language models, LLMs, following the success of its predecessors like GPT-4 and ChatGPT. While the exact release date and features are not yet confirmed, it's expected to be a significant improvement over GPT-4. GPT-5 aims to push the boundaries of AI capabilities even further. It's speculated to perform tasks like answering questions, generating code, and summarizing text more efficiently. It learns by scanning through millions of web articles and books, enabling it to generate authentic and non-plagiarized content. The availability of GPT-5 is also a topic of discussion. Currently, advanced models like GPT-4 are reserved for premium tools like ChatGPT+. It's assumed that GPT-5 will first come to ChatGPT+, and whether it will be available for the free ChatGPT tool is yet to be seen. Number 3. Faster response times. The response time of ChatGPT refers to the time it takes for the AI to generate a response after receiving input from the user. The goal is to reduce this time, making the interaction feel more like a real-time conversation. This is particularly important in applications where a quick response is crucial, such as customer service chatbots or interactive games. Improving ChatGPT's response time involves several aspects. One of them is optimizing the AI model itself. This could involve making the model smaller and more efficient, or fine-tuning it to generate responses more quickly. Another aspect is improving the infrastructure that supports the AI, such as the servers and networks that process the inputs and outputs. Number 4. Better audio quality. The audio quality of ChatGPT refers to the quality of the sound produced when the AI converts text into speech. Improvements in this area would mean that the AI's voice sounds more natural, clear, and pleasant to the ear. One way to improve audio quality is by using a better text-to-speech model. This model is responsible for converting the AI's text responses into spoken words. A more advanced model could produce speech that sounds more like a human voice, with natural intonation and rhythm. Improving the audio quality of ChatGPT could make it more useful and enjoyable to use, especially in applications where the AI's voice is a key part of the experience, such as audiobooks, podcasts, or virtual assistants. While the exact details of the improvements in ChatGPT's audio quality are not yet known, we can expect that they will make the AI's voice sound more natural and pleasant, enhancing the overall user experience. Number 5. New GPT stores. The upcoming new GPT stores of ChatGPT are exciting developments. It's a platform where users can create, share, and even sell their custom versions of ChatGPT, known as GPTs. These GPTs are specialized versions of ChatGPT that are tailored for specific tasks, subjects, or use cases. For example, if you're a teacher, you could create a GPT that's optimized for tutoring in a specific subject. If you're a business owner, you could create a GPT that's trained to answer customer inquiries about your products or services. The possibilities are endless. Creating a GPT doesn't require any coding skills. You can use the same conversational interface that's currently available with ChatGPT. All you need to do is provide the relevant instructions and knowledge. Once you've created a GPT, you can share it with others through the GPT store. This is a marketplace where GPT creators can showcase their creations. Other users can browse the store, try out different GPTs, and even purchase them if they find them useful. The new GPT stores of ChatGPT is a platform that democratizes AI by allowing anyone to create and share their own AI models. It's a significant step towards the future of customizable and accessible AI. Number 6. ChatGPT with memory. The upcoming ChatGPT with memory is an exciting development in AI technology. It's designed to overcome the limitations of context length in large language models like ChatGPT. Context length refers to the amount of information from a previous conversation that the AI can remember and use to generate responses. In the current versions of ChatGPT, the context length is limited. This means that if a conversation gets too long, the AI might forget some of the earlier parts of the conversation. This could be a problem in situations where the AI needs to remember important details from earlier in the conversation. To solve this problem, the new version of ChatGPT will have an external memory. This memory will store information from the conversation that the AI can access when it needs to. This way, even if the conversation gets very long, the AI will still be able to remember important details from earlier in the conversation. This external memory is managed using a vector database, which allows the AI to store and retrieve information efficiently. The memory management method is intelligent, meaning it can adapt based on the current context of the conversation. Number 7. Video GPT. The upcoming Video GPT of ChatGPT is an exciting advancement in AI technology. It's a model that's capable of understanding and generating meaningful conversations about videos. This is a significant leap from the current ChatGPT, which primarily deals with text-based interactions. Video GPT combines the capabilities of large language models, LLMs, with a visual encoder that's adapted for spatio-temporal video representation. This means it can understand the content of a video over time and space, not just individual frames. It can then generate human-like conversations about the video, making it a powerful tool for video-based applications. In addition, some tools allow you to use ChatGPT for video editing. You can generate a short video with the assistance of ChatGPT's text-based capabilities, and then refine and create your video project. Number 8. Improved browsing. The upcoming improved browsing feature of ChatGPT is designed to enhance the AI's ability to provide accurate and up-to-date information. This feature, simply titled Browsing, allows ChatGPT to use internet browsing to gather current data. Previously, ChatGPT was limited to the information it was trained on, which could sometimes be out of date. With the improved browsing feature, ChatGPT can now access real-time information from the internet, making its responses more accurate and relevant. The browsing feature is integrated with Bing, a web search engine owned by Microsoft, which is a corporate partner of OpenAI. This integration allows ChatGPT to perform internet searches and use the results to inform its responses. In addition to providing more accurate information, the improved browsing feature also allows ChatGPT to provide direct links to sources. This means that users can easily verify the information provided by ChatGPT and explore the topic further if they wish. Number 9. Sign in with OpenAI. The upcoming Sign in with OpenAI feature for ChatGPT is an anticipated enhancement aimed at improving user experience. This feature allows users to create an OpenAI account and use it to sign in to ChatGPT. Number 10. Open source. The term open source refers to something that can be modified because its design is publicly accessible. In the context of ChatGPT, an open source version would mean that the underlying code of the model is available for the public to view, modify, and distribute. Sam Altman's revelation has left us shocked. ChatGPT's 2024 features are game changers. But how will they transform our lives? Only time will tell. The future of AI is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Are you ready to embrace it? Comment your thoughts on this, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.